Hi everyone, on your demand here is the unboxing video. So today I am going to show you all how and what you receive in the latest edition of CMA Final Law books for 2022 syllabus. Our set of 6 books come packed in this beautiful box. It is carton based and hence you receive the books without any damage. So let's open and find out what's in store for us. Let me first take out the books. So here are the 6th volume book of Corporate and Economic Laws, CMA Final Law Paper 13 2022 syllabus. Here is the volume 1, which is Corporate Laws. Now this is the main book, or you can call it as class notes, the main content through which I take classes, the main content that prima facie or at the first place you should be reading. So here is the syllabus according to the institute, which is introduced over here, and this is the content of volume 1. If I take you through the very first chapter, that's your company's formation and conversion, this is how our main book looks like. So see, I have designed it in a simplified manner which is student friendly. See, I'm just taking you through some pages. See, wherever some illustrations are needed, these illustrations have also been incorporated after the topic. Although we have a separate question bank, but considering the fact that law is one such subject where you require deep conceptual understanding, and thereafter you also need multiple revisions and a lot of writing practice. So that's how I've designed all my books. So this is volume 1. The entire corporate law is covered in volume 1 main book. Thereafter we go to volume 2, which is economic laws. Now in economic laws, we have the main content or the core content, you can say, relating to all the chapters of economic laws. So this is the content of volume 2, which also includes corporate governance, although corporate governance is somehow a part of corporate law, but in our main book, it is incorporated in the second volume. Thereafter comes the main attraction of our corporate and economic law book set, which is charts. So students find this of immense help, and we have actually, I would say, that I have incorporated a lot more things in the chart book as well as question bank in the latest edition. So you have the entire coverage of all the chapters, you can say. All the main topics are being covered in this chart book, and it helps you immensely in revision at the time of studies or preparation, and even just day before examination. So this is just the introduction part, and thereafter our chart book is designed into chapter wise. See, this chart book is colorful, and that's how you will receive it. Our main book is black and white, but the chart books that we provide to you, they are colored. Thereafter comes volume 4, which is economic law chart. So all the economic laws chart have been incorporated in this. See, this is the chart of IBC as I can find. And they have been made in such a manner that you'll understand it very easily. These are some more attraction study timetable which you can incorporate. Finally comes our volume 5 and volume 6. So this is volume 5, which is corporate laws question bank. Now, how the question banks have been made, or students often have this confusion that, ma'am, what questions are you incorporating in the question bank? Are they all the questions or what? So I'll just take you through. See, if I look at the very first chapter, company formation and conversion, first I have some class questions, okay, so which I deal in the class. They are selected good case study based questions, and thereafter we have some self-practice questions. After that, I have incorporated more questions. See, MTP, previous year questions, whatever have been asked, even if it is just a descriptive question, I've incorporated that, and I have also provided you proper solution of the same. Okay, one problem which I have found in the past that students face is with respect to study material, because CMA Final Law study material gives you a set of descriptive questions, but they don't provide you the solution. So here you have the study material questions are there, and they are here with proper solution. Okay, so chapter wise I have segregated them, and they have also been incorporated, and thereafter you have objective questions. So you can see there are so many multiple choice questions which are there at the end of every chapter. So once you go through the main file, once I've done the classes, you revise the chapter through the help of chart book, and thereafter you go through this question bank. There is nothing more that you need to know. This is one-stop solution, and I would say a complete solution for your needs of corporate and economic laws. Okay, so CMA Final Law, this is the solution. Now, if I take you through the last volume, volume 6, economic laws question bank. So again, we have proper questions as I discussed with you. Right, so we have questions, we have answers for the same. And this is not just the end. Now 6 volumes are already over. What more you're going to show us? So here is a beautiful complimentary gift for you all. This is a self notes copy, because in law I make you write a lot of things. So this is for class notes, and a beautiful highlighter too for highlighting all the important limits as suggested. Hope you all liked it. Thank you.